Alrighty, welcome back to this Canvas movie we've been making. We've been working in our generic class, or in my master class I should say. Now what we want to do is import all of our content into our regular classes. So I'm going to go up here to my period 1 class. Now I cheated, mine's called period 1. Yours probably says A1 and then your class period, but here's my period 1 class. I'm going to click on it. Again, if you get this wonderful toolbar that keeps coming up, just close it. And I think it's more confusing with it open. If it makes sense to you, great. Keep it open and use it. I like to show you down here where it says Settings. Over on the right, go ahead and click on Settings. Over on the right now, go to Import Content into this course. You're going to then choose Copy Content from another class. And then this is one of the tricky parts. See this box here? Yep, it disappears. I don't know why it disappears. So sometimes you have to start typing in the name of your class. Now for my example, I've been using this generic class that I made. Yours, you should see other classes or start typing in the name of your class and they should start showing up. Or if you have that drop down menu, that should show you all of your current classes. That's the class I want. I'm going to copy from this course. I'm sorry, I'll explain. If you want to type yours in, yours is, of course, your master. I don't remember what it was called exactly. GSD master, and then your last name, whatever your master class was called. And then I'm going to copy from this course. Here's the important part, which I really hate Canvas has done this. Look where my mouse is. If I click, the intention is to click again right now. And that would be bad because, well, you would then look at the screen above. You would copy everything from your master class, which is not good because you've been playing in that class. That's your practice area. Your sandbox is what they call it now in technological terms, a spot to play with things and test it out. So you want to uncheck that box. And from your master class, now you can pick and choose, you can scroll down, pick and choose anything you want from your master class. Sure, you could import it all, but I really don't think you should because there's going to be some things in there that you've been playing with that are not, should we say, good enough. Alright, so what can I do here? Here are my assignments for my master. If I click this box, it chooses all my boxes. Underneath it is just like an outline. I'm going to, let's see, look at those. Oh, those are actually 3 good assignments that I do want. So I am going to click that box. The settings, I'm not going to choose settings because I don't even know what my settings are for that class. My rubrics, yes, I do want my rubrics that I made. Question banks, no. Files, if you have specific files you know you need, yes, choose them. Couple things here. This one right here, I was bad. I did not name this cool text image, and I've been telling you to name it. Here's your exact reason why you want to name them correctly, what they are. I have no idea what that is. I know I want to pull in my disclosure statements or PDF, so I'm just going to check those. If you're not sure what they are, oh, what the heck, I'll pull them all in. I don't know what these are, just leave them unchecked. Other images? Sure, why not? We'll see what happens. I don't have to use them, but I can pull them in. Course files? Nope. Course files? Nope. Course files icons? Now I know what these are. I made a quiz and oh yeah, I looked at all these. Those are pictures from my quiz. If you know what they are, great. Pull them in. If you're not sure, just leave them out. You can always go back and pull them back in, import them back in. The pages that I made, wiki pages for master, yep, I want all 3 of those. And let's see, discussions. I'm not going to pull in my discussions. I could just click on them. I'm not going to in this situation. And then down here at the bottom, I'm just going to click on import course content. And then while that imports, we're waiting for a little bit for it to. When that's done importing, tells me everything I got imported, and then I'm just going to click back to the Period 1 class homepage. Nothing is on this front page, which is kind of a problem because if you remember, I did import my front page. So here's what you got to do. Remember, the first thing we did when we set up any class is change this home page layout. Change home page layout. I want to set it to a page I will design myself. Update the layout. And we're going to see what happens. Dun dun dun. Oh, look at that. There's my front page. Worked like a charm. Remember, we imported this front page. If yours does not work and you have what's called a front page 3, I will help you individually, or your STS can help you individually at your own school. So there it is, my class. It looks beautiful. I'm going to check here my other assignments, my disclosure statement page. It's not an assignment, my pages. Oh, look beautiful. There's my picture. Here's my content. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Do I have my assignments? Clicking on, oh, yep, there they are. Now I can edit these all I want still. And that's fine. You can go ahead and edit them, but just if you want to, but keep in mind it won't edit them in your master. So that is beautiful. I'm going to click on home just to kind of go back to my regular class. There it is, beautiful, perfect. That was part 1, meaning I took stuff from my master class, not everything, and I pulled it into Period 1 class. Now, what I'm going to do is, of course, I want to publish this. You want to publish all your classes, so I click on Publish, and then down here you got to click on Publish once again. Now I'm not, oh, I can publish it. What the heck? I have no students, so it doesn't matter in this class period. How do you know it's published? Well, it's easy to tell because doesn't say that it's not published anywhere, and now your students will be able to see your class. Great, so how do I get this information into my next period class, which is the same class that I teach? If I teach the same thing, 3 classes, you set up one, and then you import it into the other classes. So here we go. Now I'm going to go to Period 2 class. Period 1 is finished. Remember, we pulled stuff in from my master class. Now I'm going to go to Period 2 class. Click. And down the bottom left, just like we did before, click on Settings. Oh, there's that beautiful window. Okay, now somebody can, I haven't closed it. You can import content from here, but again, my point is this window does not always come up. So that is why I have you close it. What we did last time, we clicked on Settings, and then we went over to the right, we clicked on Import Content. But here it is right now, import content from another Canvas course. And again, you should have a drop-down menu coming up here with your current classes. I don't know why I don't get it, but that's okay. My class is Period 1. There it is. As I start typing it, it shows up. Copy from this course. Now from here, yes, I want to copy everything from Period 1 class because I got my Period 1 class set up perfectly. Now that would say biology, and I would pull in all my whatever it is you teach. So here we go. Copying this will take a few minutes. Back to period 2 class. Again, you can read the instructions. You can change the dates by drag and dropping in the course calendar. I actually haven't seen that one before, but that's okay. You can look at those dates all you want. The course is unpublished. There's our beautiful box. Again, I'm going to close this. And here's everything that we pulled in from our period 1 class. Looks just like our period 1 class because we imported it into our period 2 class. That is how you import your classes into another class, period. Of course, don't forget to publish the class so that your students can actually see your class. I hope that helps you. I will be here to help you guys out and get your classes published and get them all done. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.